guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, Christelle or Thavia, one of my friends, asked me if I could do one of these videos of what's in my pencil case. So without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So let's go on to the video. Alrighty guys, so my first pencil case has this cute pom-pom that I try not to grab a lot because I don't want it to get dirty and everything. So in this pencil case, I have this tiny or small or mini planner or agenda, and it's from 2018 to 2020. And since it's mini, it's really easy to put in my pencil case and it's super easy to carry around. And this way it's super easy to be organized during an entire week or during an entire month, since it gives me like an overview of the entire month. So for example, right here, I don't have class, and then I have reading day, and then I don't have class again. On this side, I wrote down my final day. So for example, I have podcasting on May 7th, communication May 8th, and English on May 8th. So then just make sure that I have these kind of like lists so I can know what I need to study and what I don't need to study. And I'm just going to take this paperclip off so I can turn the page. Actually, this paperclip is already in this channel. If you want to go see this video of how I decorated this paperclip, I will leave the link down in the description as well as on the right hand corner of this video. So right here, the spring break section is all painted in pink. Then if you turn the page, you will see February, which I decided to do everything in color. So just to make my agenda more colorful and more fun to look at rather than just black and white. So if you turn the page over, you'll see that it's January. So the first day of the semester was January 22nd. The first assignment was on January 29th. And if you keep on turning the pages, you'll see the end of the first semester, which started in September and ended in December. Honestly, having a mini planner just like this one, it's super easy to be organized. In this way, you won't have to look in your backpack for your huge or big planner, and you won't waste any time. So I always have two mechanical pencils in my pencil case just in case I lose one. I always have like a backup plan or a backup pencil. And I don't know why, but I really like these colors. And then just to continue, I have this Papermate eraser that it's super small since I've been using it a lot, but it leaves no marks behind once you erase. Moving on, I also have this mini or small glue stick from Elmer's Glue just in case I have to glue things together. And I also have this small stapler that I use when I need to staple papers together, because sometimes my professors or my teachers forget to staple papers together, so I have this always on handy just in case. I like writing my notes in actual black ink just to make them look more popping. So for the first pen that I really like is this Cello Smooth, and just as the name says, it's super smooth to write with it. Other pens that I use for my notes are these pens. For the first one is this Sound Stick Grip, and then the second one is this gel pen from Pilot G207. And I really like using this pen when I need my letters to be more bolder or more dark. And honestly, since it's a gel pen, it's super smooth and super fast to write with it. On the other hand, this pen is not a gel pen, so I don't have to wait for the ink to dry, and it doesn't stain anything from my notes or anything in my notebook. When it comes to making my titles, I like making them with bubble letters, lettering, or any other kind of letter, but I use this Pentel Milky Pop Gel pen. Since it's white, I can use it for like making highlights or like small details on my letters just to make it more pretty and more fun to look at. In my pencil case, I also carry small post-it notes just in case I need them for small notes or small reminders, as well as I carry these post-it flags or post-it tabs just in case I need them for any decoration within my notes or to divide my notes within like a class or like Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. To continue, I also carry this calculator just in case I have to use it for math assignments or math exams. So for example, I'm not allowed to use a calculator with memory in it, so this one has no memory, so it's perfect for any assignment. Now for my notes, I always try to have super cute colors with me just in case I have to do any decoration in my notes. So for this case, I'm using blue and orange, and I always try to have like a gel pen. In this case is this one from Papermate, and I like using this one for any like title or like any definition that I need to write. I also have this marker from Leisure Arts, and I like this one because it's double-ended, so like on one side is super thin and then on the other is super thick. Normally, I like using this to write any subtitle or underline important things, as well as I like using it to write important phrases instead of writing them in black ink. I also carry my outliner, highlighters, or markers. Since they're super light, I use them to highlight things or underline things most of the time. Other markers are these Crayola Super Tips, and I use these to make my titles or any bubble letter that I want. And I like tying my supplies with a small rubber band, and this way I don't have to look in my pencil case for any pencil or gel pen or marker that I'm missing. On this other side, I have like a small group of school supplies. In this case, they're orange, and in it, I have this Intro by Accent highlighter, which is super cool because it's like neon orange. And then I have this Stabilo pen that most of you already know of. Honestly, I love these Stabilo pens because they're super thin and they're perfect for any thin letters or any decorations for your titles or any other decoration that you want to make on your notes overall. And you can also use these pens to write your notes entirely in color instead of using black ink or black pen. Right now I'm only dividing like my school supplies so you can see or check out which ones are like the most basic school supplies for you to make like cute notes. So for example, right here I always carry a pen, a marker, a highlighter, and another marker just in case I don't want to use like the marker that I already have, or like I lose one, I have like a backup plan, or even just to make more decorations on my notes. And you can even combine your colors together. So for example, you could combine the orange with the blue and have some super cute notes with orange and blue. Normally at my school, I only have like 2 classes a day, so then if I have math today, I would take my blue pack of supplies, and then if I have science, then I would take my orange one. On the following day, then I would take my pink for my communication class, and then I would take my green for my journalism class. Also, usually at my school, we cover like 1 unit a week. So for example, in my communication class, I would use these like pink and purple colors for my unit 2 in communication, and then I would use my green for my journalism unit 3. And then the following week, I would just change the colors. Now on my second pencil case, I have some scissors, which are also mini because I don't want them to be like super bulky in my pencil case. And I also have like another Papermate mini eraser, and it's mini because I've been using it a lot, but this way I have like another one just in case I lose a one in my first pencil case. And then I also have some lead for my mechanical pencils. These are 0.7, and then I just take the eraser, put one in there, and then my pencil is all ready for me to write things down. And just to continue, I have another calculator, but this one is this scientific calculator, and as you can see, it's also pink. And since it has memory, sometimes our professors are not okay with these type of calculators since we can cheat off of them on our exams or any assignment that he or she gives us. So just in case, I always carry my little calculator from Casio. And we're all done with all the school supplies that I have on my second pencil case. So just in this case, I have like this Carmex or lipstick for my lips. Sometimes it's super cold where I live, so I just have to have like some protection for my lips. I also carry like this hand sanitizer just in case like I need to sanitize my hands. And then I also have like this Tic Tacs, which I love the color because it's mint. For my hands, I carry this white citrus lotion, and I know it has shea butter and coconut oil, and the smell is amazing. To continue, I also carry this nail file since sometimes with the cold, like my nails get cracked or like I need to file them, so just in case. And as you can see, like I've been using it a lot, so like it's already worn out. I need another one. Inside my pencil case, I also have like a small pouch where I keep like everything for emergency, just in case like I get like a cut or anything. And it's like rubbery from the outside, so I can use it as a squishy or like just to play with it. So inside I have 2 gauze pads just in case like I have like a huge cut or something like super big. So just in case I carry these. And then I also carry like small bandages just in case I have like a small cut or something not too big. And I'm gonna open one just so you can see how cute it is. I also have 2 disinfecting wipes, and since they have alcohol in them, then I can use these to prevent any infection in any cut. I also carry this disinfecting cream. So for example, right here my cat scratched me, so that I would apply some of this cream and then I would just put my band-aid on top of that. And I also have like these bandages, like the normal ones. In this case, this is from Minions. And then I would just use these for like a cut on my hand or on my finger, something to wrap around basically. I feel like carrying this like first aid supplies with me, I feel like it makes my life so much easier, because if I get a cut or something, I don't have to walk all the way to the nurse office for like a band-aid or something else that I need. And I always carry both of my pencil cases in my backpack, but the pink one is like the most important one, so it's always right next to my school supplies, while the orange one is always on the second bag within my backpack. Alright guys, and this was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you on the following video. Bye guys!